everyone, this is Marlene and Dixie Quilters, and I'm welcome to my channel. And if you're new, welcome, and returning, thanks for coming back. Hey, ring that bell and give me the thumbs up and all that stuff, you know. Hey, today we're going to look at this wonderful box from the people who give us boxes with pink hearts on it. You know who that is? That's Soft Squares. I just got off the live that she does on Monday, and I just couldn't wait for it to be over with so I could go upstairs and open this for you. So, let's see it. Can you see it okay? Good. I got my craft scissors. Let's see what's in here. I got carried away, and I got quite a bit of stuff at that last sale. So we got to see what I ordered. I got stickers and stickers and stickers. Wow. And inside is this beautiful paper and stickers. Yay! Let's just cut that off of there. Okay, here we go. And here's our brochure with our receipt in it. I just love that. Oh, look, see, I did get some teal because I was worried I didn't have enough of that teal. Oh, good. I got 3 different teals, for goodness sakes. I think we're going to be set, and I have for that quilt that I'm talking about. It's the Murder Mystery Quilt, and I just can't wait for it to start in January. Murder Mystery Quilt comes with a chapter every month along with the quilt block. And then you do the quilt blocks and put together the clues and try to figure out who the mystery murderer is. But this will be fun. So anyway, back to this. I got my receipt and I got a bunch of goodies to look at. Thank you for your order. Quilter boxes A and B are available. Make It Merry and the Allure quilt kits are available. The Quilt Retreat is available March 31. I think the one that I'm going to is sold out a little bit later in April. And then we have, please join me online and be part of our quilting community. Ooh, look at there. So join me online. So she has a Facebook group. I go to that. In fact, I won on the Facebook group, and I wonder if they put my present in. It didn't say so far. Let's look. Oh boy, they did put something in. Look at this. Congratulations, you're a contest winner. Let's see what it is. I think it's a patchability. Oh, that's cute. It's the pattern and the holder. How nice. Look at that. Looks like a sleigh. And then there's this one. That's because I won something on the Facebook. Must have been autumn. The autumn panels, I think. Yes. So this one's about 2 snowmen. Well, snowman and snowwoman. And they're hugging each other with their scarves. I think that's going to be cute as a button. Can't wait to get going. I'll get this done before. Well, I promised myself I'm going to sandwich that next dinosaur quilt before I start anything. Let's see if I can obey myself. Ha! Thank you, Lynn and Marlon. I really appreciate it winning. I just love winning something. I just, how it says October, Facebook. Yep. Congratulations. I'm a winner. Yeah. Okay, so now let's look at what I ordered. Oh, boy, this is perfect. This is that dark teal that's going to, oh, and that's a nice, beautiful light teal. Remember we had pieces and bits and pieces of light teals for my previous movie that I made. But this is gorgeous. Look at that. That is just you knock your socks off. Wow. Nice. And I'm sure it's a a something cotton. Oh, it doesn't have those names on it. Okay, well, it's that line that she carries in her store all the time with 50 or 100 different colors. Or maybe 150 colors, who knows? And then here is a beautiful dark teal. Look at that. Woo! Now, I don't have to worry about having enough dark teal or light teal. And then look what we got for the medium one. And I think that this is what I was looking at for the beautiful medium teal with a little bit of gold in it. Wouldn't that be nice? Or maybe that's going to be the light and this is going to be the medium. Yeah, maybe that's it. So it's supposed to be an ombre effect. So there's our 3. Yahoo, yahoo. And then I think this must be what I ordered for a persimmon. That's perfect. Perfect persimmon. And it is something freckle. So Fusion by Freckle Lolly. Interesting. Well, it's the perfect color. And then I got a gold color. Oh, I don't remember what I was thinking for that one. That sure is pretty. Now these were, the gold was $9 a yard. The persimmon was $10 a yard. This Boho Things Tea Sparkle was $6 a yard. And that's a 2-yard cut. And then this confetti cotton was $8 a yard. And I got 2 1/4 yards of that. And this dark Equinox Basic was $9 a yard. And then I got carried away and ordered some other stuff on the live sale, which I don't remember what I did there either. Oh, look, I got that bag. Shades of Grass, 108 wide, designer wide bag. And then they gave me a bag. Well, thank you. Let's open this up and look at my stuff. My goodness. They're always surprising me. Yeah, this is going to be the back to something beautiful. No. Remember we needed to have, I got 3 yards because we're supposed to have 7.5 yards of medium grass green or green tea green. Boy, this is perfect. Look at that. Beautiful stuff. So it said 7.5 yards of green, but I got 3 yards of 108. That'll do it. That should be plenty. This is wonderful. Thank you, Lynn. Thank you, Marlon. Appreciate you having a company that I can buy stuff at. Yay! Life is short. Buy the fabric. Well, I've been listening to that a little too much lately, but I sure love getting ready. I'm ready now for the Murder Mystery Quilt starting in January. I'm also ready for the Jane Austen 250 that's starting in January. And I certainly have enough fabric to kit my nativity by the, curved one. Curved, it's so wonderful. It's so wonderful. That's, it's so wonderful company. Curves. And we're going to make the nativity with all the curved people. So that's primarily what these are for, is for the Murder Mystery and the curved people. But I'm excited. I'm all ready for it. Now, between now and the end of December, I expect to, well, I'm going to make the snowman for sure. But I need to sandwich the dinosaur quilt, the second one. The first one is sandwiched and quilted and bindinged. And then I need to do the dinosaur. And then we're working on the kitty cat, the beautiful sparkle colored fabric cat. Remember I showed you that one? Well, this is exciting. we've got some beautiful things that we've acquired here this week. Remember, I went to the Quiltopia and picked up like 10 yards of different fabrics there, all for $4 a yard. So I've just been spoiled rotten getting fabric this week. Now I got to put the brakes on. Ooh, or pull the reins back or put the brakes on. One of the two, huh? One of the two. All right. Well, until next time, I'm going to find a home for all of these. Under my pillow, right? Okay. Well, thanks again for watching, and you take care. God bless. Bye-bye.